Hello, what's up? What's going on, guys? This is Diane. Welcome to Tech with Diane. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install Python programming language into your Windows machine. So let's get started. So to install Python, you just need to open your latest browser, not your latest, any browser, let me say, your favorite browser. For my case, I'm using Chrome, and you can use Microsoft Edge and any browser you want, Safari, whatever browser you need. So I just need to type Python in the search bar. Then I hit enter. The Python we are talking about here is not the Snake Python, is a computer programming language. All right, keep that in mind. All right, so you can see in the first link python.org, www.python.org. Click that. Then you'll open the homepage of Python website. In the different tabs, you can see download tab. Click on download tab. Then Python has different versions. If you are interested in a specific version, you can go and install that specific version here. The new releases are here. They saw the latest release was in February 4th, 2025, and other releases, they're down here. But I really want us to install the latest version. That's what I can recommend. It doesn't need you to have a specific computer specifications. It can be just work on any computer or especially Windows machine. Then what you need, you need to click on download here, then save it wherever you want it to be saved. For my case now, I'm going to click on downloads. It's going to be saved on downloads right there. All right, so I'm just going to open where the file is of the downloaded. I'm just going to open where the file is of the downloaded Python that we just saved. So for my case now, it's here. Then now I do have this window pops up. Asked me before opening this file. I'm just going to click run. Now I do have now window of installation of Python. So there are two ways of doing this: install and customize. You can choose specific features here, but now what I do recommend for us is to just go to the first one and tick this, and also tick the add to the path ticket, and just go on install. Now you can see your Python is installing. So we give it time, let it run. Now the Python is fully installed. Then I can now close this. Now to confirm whether my Python is installed, I'm just going to close this and even close this. Then I'm going to open my CMD bar. Open anything command line that you have. You can type PowerShell. I have opened my PowerShell. Then from here, I'm just going to type Python. Yeah, you can see my Python is there. Now to prove this, then I'm going just to say print just hello world in the terminal there. Hello world. Then if you hit enter, you can see hello world is being printed. Yeah, then I can also still do simple math. inside there, and then I can say 2 plus 2 plus 2. Then if I hit enter, it's going to be 4. So that's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe. That's your only way of supporting me, and I really appreciate. Welcome here, and we will always be doing videos like this. Thank you, and see you in another video.